I'm Dr. Sangeeta Patty. I'm a board-certified OBGYN and board-certified in anti-aging and regenerative medicine. There's a paradigm shift going on in medicine. We're all seeing it. The patients coming through the door and asking the questions that came off of the internet, that came from Suzanne Summers, that came from Mehmet Oz's show. And as healthcare providers, we find ourselves in a funny position because our toolbox is very much focused on pharmacy and surgery. And now we have to start to expand our toolbox, but we don't know how to expand it in an evidence-based fashion. I hit this very early on in my practice with 5 physicians in Washington, D.C., when the Women's Health Initiative results were followed by Suzanne Summers' book, The Sexy Years, and patients started coming through the door asking us about bioidentical hormones. I didn't know about bioidentical hormones, and neither did any of my partners. We started losing patients, so it was a good push for us to start to learn about them. So I invite you to come this year and attend A4M in Orlando in May of 2012. We have some specific events that are going on that I think are highly important. We have an evening workshop which is called Interactive Case Studies for Your Patients with Cancer. These will be practical protocols and applications for the patient, your breast cancer patient who wants hormones, your prostate cancer patient who wants testosterone. What's the evidence? How are you going to approach this patient? We have Dr. Dipnaran Maharaj, who's an expert in stem cell therapies, presenting with us that evening the utility of storing your stem cells and the application of stem cells to the cancer patient. We have a very exciting evening. This is Friday evening during the conference. I invite you to come. As complementing your education, we're giving away a free raffle for a clinical preceptorship in the area of hormonal restoration, nutritional restoration, detoxification, mind and body balance, practical, putting it all together. It's a clinical preceptorship of 4 days, a $7,500 value, which is being raffled off. You come to the booth of MD Prescriptives to register. We'll also be raffling off a nutritional preceptorship, which teaches us about plant-based nutrition, which we know at this point, based upon the China study, if you look at what Yale and Cornell University and Cleveland Clinic are doing, it's clear that this is considered to be one of the best ways to reverse degenerative disease. And the question, of course, remains, how do you help your patient do it? Come to this conference, come to the evening workshop, come to the workshop that we'll be doing during the daytime, and learn practical applications and solutions to some of the issues that you're seeing come through the door.